I want to share with you this latest update that made me over 20 USDT right on my account, and this is totally free. You don't have to invest anything. This platform actually is totally free. You guys know coach does not gatekeep right on this channel, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can leverage this platform. So this platform actually would be one of the best platforms you have come across this year. Just for disclaimer, this platform is not going to make you rich, but it's going to give you some small cash into your pocket. I rightly said this platform is totally free. However, I am not a financial advisor. This video is strictly for educational purposes and personal experience. However, if you stick to the very end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly reach the minimum withdrawal of this platform and place withdrawal in this platform. Okay, so all I ask from you right now is to please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. And so guys, I'll be placing withdrawal before showing you how to leverage on this platform. Now you can actually see I have over 20 USDT on my account. Now this is not actually in the USDT form. You're just going to be swapping this to USDT to be able to place withdrawal on this platform. Now what you just want to do is to come over to flash swap. So once you click on flash swap, you are going to be swapping this into USD. Now come under this first one that says gem, click on it, and you're going to be selecting the PHY. Then come under gem and you're going to be selecting the USDT. Now you're going to be converting this into the USD. So what I just need to do is to come down and click on maximum. So once I click on maximum, you're going to be seeing total you're going to be converting into USD. Then you come down here and click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, you just have to come down here to confirm this. Now you'll be confirming this because you'll be getting the actual amount of this USDT right now. So right now you can actually see that the swap is successful. Now when you go back to your account, you can actually see that you can actually place withdrawal right on your account. Now after swapping this, you can now go ahead to click on withdrawal. So once you click on withdrawal, all you just need to do is to come down to where it says deduction currency, click on max. This is the actual amount you'll be receiving. Now the next thing you want to do is to put your withdrawal address right here, and now the withdrawal address that is required right here is the Ethereum, okay, which is the ERC20. Now when you head over to your Bybit account, you can actually see the ERC20. Just click on that, then you're going to be copying your wallet address. So once you have actually done that, the next thing you want to do is to come down under the withdrawal address and paste this. So once that is done, you can actually see that the handling fee is 1 USDT. That is 1 USDT will be taken out from this transaction. So the next thing you want to do is to come down to click on confirm to confirm this transaction. Now a verification code will be sent to this mobile number over here. What you just need to do is to come down to click on get verification code. Now once this verification code is gotten, you just have to put in this verification code right here, then confirm this transaction. As you can see right now, verification code sent successfully. This is the verification code. All I just need to do is to confirm this transaction. As you can see, withdrawal successful. So I actually imputed this withdrawal code and I placed withdrawal right on my account, and I'm going to be showing you the withdrawal proof from this platform. So guys, this is the withdrawal proof from this platform. As you can see right now, I got this in less than 2 seconds. I just got credited 21.9 USD right on my account, and I'm going to be showing you how you can leverage this platform and how you can actually use this platform to get some income for yourself every single day. To get started with this platform, all you just need to do is to click the first link on the pinned comment section, and you're going to be brought into this interface. Now you're going to click on this particular interface where you can actually select any country that you're actually coming from. So once you're done, you just have to click on any country right now. Then once that is done, put in your mobile number, then come down here to click on send verification code. Now a verification code will be sent to that mobile number you added above. That is, a code will be sent to you on WhatsApp with the mobile number you inserted above. Now you're going to be leaving this invitation code like this so you can actually get your reward on this platform. The next thing you want to do is to come down to where it says password, put in a unique password, then come down to put in that same unique password, repeating that same password, and make sure it's a password you can always remember. Then come down here to click on register. Then automatically your account will be created right on this platform. So guys, this is very important. On this platform you get paid in gems. Okay, now it says register now and get free Pi tokens. Now when you join this platform, you get a free Pi tokens instantly. And when you invite friends to this platform, you also get an extra Pi rewards, and more you invite, the more you get free Pi tokens. Now on this platform, you don't have to invest anything. All you have to do is just like referring individuals, and you're going to be accumulating some earnings right on this platform. Now when you come down to this interface, you can actually see daily diamond gem draw, free Pi giveaway. Okay, so right now this platform actually accumulates your earnings in gem, which you can actually convert to USDC. Now when you come down to this interface, you can actually see that there are millions of gems daily. Massive prize awaits you. Now 1 free draw every day and full gem refund the next day. When you register on this platform, you're going to be given a daily reward of about 2,000 gems upon sign up. Now 2 days quick login will give you around 800 gem, and daily login will give you 400 gem, no limit. Now when you invite individuals to this platform, you'll be able to unlock these particular levels after 2 days login. Now we have the 1000 gem, we have the 600 gem, we have the 300 gem. Now instant swap for withdrawal, like I just did, all you just have to do is to accumulate your earnings in gem, and you can actually convert these to USDT and place withdrawal just like the way I did it. Now they said exchange with 100 plus coins instantly, trade anytime, withdraw immediately. Now on this platform, all you just do is to invite individuals to this platform. Then when individuals actually have access to this platform, you get commissions instantly on your account. Then you can quickly place withdrawal on your account. So let me log in to show you how to operate this platform, so you can get to understand what it really entails, because you're not actually investing a dime to this platform. Now when you come over to my assets, you can actually see that my available assets right now is 0.36 USD, because I've actually placed a withdrawal right on my account. Okay, now to invite individuals to this platform to get more gems for yourself, all you just have to do is to come over to where it says invitation reward. Now it says recommend friends and earn gems reward, just like I said. Now just copy your invitation link right here, then share with your friends. So once your friends sign up on this platform and start using this platform, you're going to be getting free gems for yourself. Now the more income you make is by the number of friends to invite into this platform. I really want you to understand how this platform works. I repeat again, you're not investing a dime on this platform. Now you can actually see we just have the deposit, the withdrawal, the transfer, and the flash swap. Now when you saw me placing a withdrawal, all I just did was to come over to flash swap. Now I actually converted my gem to USDT, which enabled me to place a withdrawal right on my account. Now if you're new to this platform, you will need to add your withdrawal address to this platform. Now to do that, when you come over to your account, you can actually see personal details. Now when you come over to that, you can actually come over to airdrop address. So once you click on airdrop address, it's going to give you an option for you to add your airdrop address. Now the only address you can add to this platform is the ERC20 address. Now you can actually find this address on your Bybit account or your Binance account. So once you are actually gotten to the withdrawal threshold, or you actually want to set your withdrawal before placing withdrawal, just come over to your personal details and edit and put in your address right here, then come down to confirm this. So once that is done, you can always come back to your account to place withdrawal right on your account. Okay, so how I got to that place, all I just did was to come over to where it says personal center. So once you click on personal center, you're going to be seeing this airdrop address. Then you're going to input your wallet address over there and you're good to go. Now like I said, you don't have to do much. All you just have to do on this platform is to invite individuals to this platform, and you keep earning every single day. Note that you must convert your gem directly to USDT before placing a withdrawal right on this platform. So that is all about this platform. You don't have to invest. Use the link below the description or the pinned comment of this video, set up an account for yourself and start leveraging this platform. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.